In this video, you will learn how to create a chart template in Sierra Chart for the QQQ Index ETF for best results when using the CEED Trader Mentor AI, which is designed to be a powerful learning reinforcement tool. Before adding the studies, create a volume-based chart for QQQ by either typing 50,000V and hit enter, or by changing the intraday chart bar period settings under the bar period tab in the chart settings. As the AI is trained on the core concepts of the CEED trading framework, the following components should be visible in the chart when you upload your screenshot for analysis. First, add the daily open high-low close study to give overall context. Select the study in the Studies Available field and click the Add button. As you can see, I've already added all the required studies and set them to hidden status, so we can later go through the respective settings one by one. You can enter the study settings by double-clicking the study or by highlighting it, and then click on Settings. Also make sure that the previous day's high and low is also visible in the chart. For better visibility, also add the name and value labels for high and low under the Subgraphs tab. Always click Apply to activate the settings changes. Then add the volume at price threshold alerts for detection of order flow events. Enter the bid and ask volume thresholds in the input value fields and click Apply. If you see too many or too few alerts, play around with this value to find a good middle ground. Next, add the Ask Bid Volume Difference bars for detection of delta distribution patterns. Here's a general tip when displaying delta bars when charting stocks and index ETFs. Since the opening and closing prints create large delta bars, they affect the visibility of the delta bars during the core trading session by making them too small to distinguish any distribution patterns or spikes. To adjust for this, simply go to the chart settings and modify the session start time and the session end time under the Session Times tab by adding and subtracting a minute from the cash session, respectively, as I have done here. Now add the color bar based on alert condition study twice for direct visibility of positive and negative delta bar spikes in the price chart. Enter the settings of the first color bar study and set the alert condition by referencing the ID number of the Ask Bid Volume Difference bars. In my example, this is ID 19.SG2 greater than my defined value for positive delta bars. Make sure not to set a value exceeding the value of the volume-based chart, which is 50,000. Repeat this process for negative delta bar values and set the alert by referencing ID 19.SG3 lower than your defined value as a negative number. Next, add the volume weighted average price study for overall context. Also activate the name label for better visibility and enter day VWAP in the short name field. Select Based on Slope in the auto coloring field and set the up and down colors to green and red. Finally, add the rolling volume weighted average price for the current direction and degree of price momentum. Here also activate the name label for better visibility and enter rolling VWAP in the short name field. Select Based on Slope in the auto coloring field and set the up and down colors to teal and yellow. In the Settings and Inputs tab, set the time period length to 60. Now you have a finished chart template for the QQQ Index ETF, so you get the best results when using the CEED Trader Mentor AI. You can also download this and other templates for futures contracts in the template library of CEED Trader Mentor AI, which will be launched very soon. If you don't want to miss the exact launch date, please visit CEED.trading.com and sign up to be notified of the product launch of the CEED Trader Mentor AI, which will also be available as a standalone product. The link is in the description box below this video. As a special bonus, graduates of the CEED Accelerator course program will enjoy 3 months of complimentary access to the Ultra version of this powerful learning reinforcement tool. Never stop learning and improving. I'll see you in the next video tutorial.